2019 Street Glide in Blue Max color with 7,734 miles on it. This sucker's loud. Woo! 2-in-1 Python exhaust. It's like a full set high flow air filter. It's got a custom windscreen, custom windscreen tint, and it's got the air vent chrome. It also has little tie down helpers for when you tie it down in a trailer. It's got Kahuna grips. That seems to be a popular option these days. It's the same ones that come on the CVOs. It's got the chrome trim on the radio speakers. It's got docking hardware, luggage rack, and a Sissy bar. It's got that loud exhaust. Whew. Man. It's got lowers on it, and it looks like the pouches or the little covers pop off to put a couple things in those lowers. This Blue Max color is pretty unique. They haven't really come out with anything else like it, except the one that has like the Harley symbols in it, and I think that came in red. I believe that was last year. Yeah, it also has heated grips. Look at that. Really, really nice looking bike. And the blue really pops with all the chrome. Yeah, come on in, check it out.